Hey guys, it's Bakington, back at it again, and today we have another Pride-themed recipe. Now, this is one of those really ubiquitous recipes you probably saw back in like the early 2010s. It was inescapable. Every mood board had the rainbow grilled cheese. So let's try and recreate this. All right, everyone, let's go over our ingredients. We've got some bread, 3 kinds of cheese, some butter, or alternatively, if you are a heathen, disgusting person, you could use mayonnaise. And of course, we got our food coloring, and I'm feeling extra, so I'm gonna add some rainbow luster dust. Now the cheese here is really up to you. However, I'm using a combination of cheddar, this is extra sharp white cheddar, some shredded mozzarella, and a little bit of grated Parmesan. Cheddar and Parmesan for flavor and mozzarella for stretch. However, if you're going to use this combination, use a 2-to-1-to-1 combination of the cheeses. 2 cheddar, 1 mozzarella, 1 Parmesan. But of course, no matter what cheeses you're using, it's gonna be delicious. And for the bread, I've got myself some sourdough bread here. I got this today from Sprouts. It looks delicious. And of course, some butter. And again, if you're a disgusting person, you could use mayonnaise as well. But don't worry about that. Just like Planet Fitness here, we say we're judgment-free, but I'm really gonna judge you hardcore behind the scenes. I'm gonna start by combining all of my cheeses. So you're probably thinking, hey Bakington, with all the white cheese, the white butter, the white bread, it's all very white. What's the deal? Which is why we're gonna astroturf this, and we're gonna split this cheese into 6 different colors and dye them. Now that I've split my cheeses up, it's time to start dyeing. Boop, 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 boop. And I learned my lesson from last time. I'm gonna use a heavy-handed amount because 1 or 2 drops really doesn't go the distance. Let's see how well we did. Ooh, looks pretty good. The award for least improved goes to, I'm gonna add a little bit to each corresponding color. You know what? It's Pride. Let's add a lot. If this kills me, everyone, it was a nice run. I'm really happy I got to know all of you. Just know that everything I did for myself. All right, we finished all the pre-work. Let's actually make ourselves that grilled cheese. All right, let's talk grilled cheese. Now, I like to start by taking our butter and buttering both sides, and then I'm gonna put some uncolored Parmesan to crisp up the exterior. We're gonna start with a very liberal spread of butter. I mean, it is Pride Month after all. Why not be liberal? Don't worry about getting butter all over the plate. This is just the plate you're gonna be making it on, not necessarily serving. And sometimes to make a good sandwich, you gotta make a little bit of a mess. Now, the reason I'm doing the exterior first is because this requires a lot of delicate maneuvering of all the colors, and I don't want to mess this up any more than I need to. So, I've got both sides done. We'll deal with the Parmesan in a moment. Editing Bakington here, you absolutely should have buttered the inside as well, you absolute clown. Actually, no, we're not. Now, pick the side you're ultimately going to put down first, and we're going to sprinkle. Editing Bakington again, it seems I didn't record the actual assembly, so here's the best thing you're gonna get. Just line it all up in a rainbow. Now we got ourselves a nice hot pan. Ow, didn't mean to touch it. And we got ourselves our grilled cheese. Now here's the hard part. We gotta ease it on there. Sizzle, sizzle. Okay, minimal cheese loss, we're good here. Now we're gonna cook this on medium until both sides are nice and crispy. And to make sure everything melts, I'm actually gonna cover it for the first flip. That way, everything warms through evenly, but I'm gonna take the lid off for the second flip so everything stays nice and crispy and nothing gets soggy. All right, now let's flip. Ooh, got some leakage, but it looks, that does not look just so appetizing. Oh boy. And I flipped it over a second time. That looks spectacular. Now, let's taste this bad boy. And here's our grilled cheese looking as spectacular as ever. Listen to this. Nice and crispy. So, let's cut into this bad baby. Ooh, I was hoping for a cheese pull. Let's try it, just breaking it. Look at that. One bite of this is gonna make you like dudes. Try ripping this part open. Beautiful. This looks spectacular, so why don't we try it out? I'm afraid, like, does that look like it should go in your body? Probably not, but I'm still gonna do it. That combination of cheese, the Parmesan, mozzarella, and the extra sharp white cheddar, it's spectacular. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching if you're watching. If you like this video, let me know down below. Like, subscribe, it really does help my channel out. And let me know what you want to see in the future. If you have anything else you'd like to comment, see, talk about, anything you'd put in your grilled cheese, like sun-dried tomatoes, maybe some basil, some garlic, what have you, let me know in the comment section as well. I'll see you next time. Peace.